Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. For today's video, I am doing another vase paint pour. This one was actually requested over on my TikTok, which is very new. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok yet, I am Art by Brooke. Check it out. I'm trying to get better at it, and I'm really late to the game, but it's really fun so far, so I look forward to trying some more things. So anyway, someone named Megan requested that I do a vase paint pour with light blue, gold, and white. And I agree, I think that is a great color combo, so that's what we're doing today. I mixed up some light blue with my regular Artist Loft blue and Artist Loft white. I have my leftover Blickrylic metallic gold, which is so pretty. It looks kind of tan until it dries, and then once it dries, it's this super pretty gold color. And then I'm just using plain Artist Loft white. In one of my recent vase pours, I talked about doing a base coat first and then doing kind of a dirty cup over top of that, and I really like how that turned out. I think that the base pour helped the top layers flow better, and I just think it worked out really well. So I'm going to do that again this time, and then I will pour the colors on top. All right, I think that turned out so pretty. And again, the gold looks kind of just like khaki colored, but once it's dry, it's going to be so pretty. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? Is there another color combo you'd like to see on a paint pour or on a vase? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.